Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to Daily Leetcode Problems in 1 minute, part 9. Alright, so here's the problem. Given an integer n, return a list of all simplified fractions between 0 and 1, such that the denominator is less than or equal to n. The fractions can be in any order. So here's an example for 4, 1/2, 1/3, 1/4, 2/3, and 3/4. 2/4 is not included because it can be simplified into 1/2. So here's the function with inputs of self and n. First thing we're going to do is import math, and if you don't want to use its GCD function, here's a GCD function you can use. First thing we're going to do is declare our fractions list that we're going to return at the end, and also declare a recursive function. Our only base case is when x is less than or equal to 1, where we return. Next, what we can do is loop from 1 to x and check if the GCD of I and x is equal to 1, then we can append. Then we can make a recursive call by decreasing by 1. Finally, we can make our initial recursive call and return fractions. Let's run it, and here are the results. Thanks, that's all I got. Like and comment for what you want to see next.